Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of, I think it's going. This is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that was sent by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is Caty Noodles, dragon fruit noodles, vegetable flavor. Kind of a trippy deal. And another trippy deal is the camera I'm using today. We've got some weird stuff going up front. They're gonna seal the parking lot. At least that's what they're calling it. These are dragon fruit noodle. Huh. And that entails them doing stuff with big machines and all that. I thought I ought to do a time lapse of it because it's not a thing that happens often. So I've got my rig out in the window, sitting there with a big battery awaiting the happening. So we will see how it goes. And we're gonna do this. I'm not sure that this camera is gonna do well. This is a GoPro Hero 7, and I was given this by a friend of the website, etc. And thanks again. But over the years, I used to use this thing exclusively. It's plugged into power. I think it's charging. I don't think it's charging. I don't know. I hope it's charging while it's recording. If not, then this is not going to last very long at all. But we'll see. So let's add some boiling water to the line. There we go. And we're setting a timer for 3 minutes. Yeah, I really am unsure how this is gonna go, folks. I'm hopeful. I want to do like a lot of things all at the same time, but and I want to do them quick. But I got back. I've been out. Is this thing even recording? I see numbers ticking by, so it must be. But when I started this thing, it said it had 9% power. I don't think it is actually charging at the moment. Oofda. We will see. But it is Thursday, the 12th day of 2024. We've gotten past the debate and our solemn remembrance of 9/11, and now it's Thursday. And what's going on today? Went out, walked a bit. Looks like we might have thunderstorms on Saturday. I'm excited about that. Everybody's doing good in school. My wife's working right now. She's done in about 50 minutes. And then it'll be time for us to have our luncheon. This should be interesting. I'm curious about this. Curiosity. It's weird because this thing is such a huge fisheye. I mean, it's ridiculously fishy. But I've had people complain so many times, it's unwatchable, crap like that. But this is a dragon fruit noodle. It employs dragon fruit in the noodles. I have this. It's juice. It's not bad. I'm kind of tempted. Don't we have... Oh, maybe you don't. Well, I'm not in that dire need of such things. I was gonna say, we've got, I think we have 7-Up. It says it's recording. I can see you in there. But... I kind of like this ultra super wide angle because I can see everything. It's nice. Can I do that? No, it won't let me flip the angle there. But yeah, out that way. You go down the hallway, you go through the door, and there's our bedroom, and then there's a big window there, and I've got my regular camera propped up in the window, and it's on its widest shot. I don't think this is gonna be, I think it was 3 to 4 minutes actually, so let me kind of guesstimate another, just count up. I have a feeling the thing's just gonna like die any second. I really hope it doesn't. And I don't know that it'll be so easy to do the top-down view the way it's set up either. Usually on things that it says like 2 to 5 minutes, I go for the 5 because more often than not, or 3 to 4, I go for the 4. Generally because it just seems like when there's that much play in it, go for the top end of things. I know, you're busy, you have a hectic schedule, but it's worth it to get stuff done the right way. It's still recording. As far as I can tell. Okay, we're gonna call that good. All right, come over here. We'll try doing this. Can you view that? Yeah, it's such a wide angle, it's kind of okay. I really like this camera, I should say that much. I really like it, but it's been so problematic. I've done recordings that have just disappeared, all sorts of stuff, but cheers, let's give this a try. You know, I wasn't expecting a lot from this, but it's quite good. It's very sweet. The noodles have a very nice bounciness to them. Do I want to use that one? I kind of wanted to use that one. I'm going to use that one. Because I want to use the other one for the other one, don't I? Do I? Boy, now I'm at a conundrum. Quantifiable conundrum about this. Because I got this one, and the next one's gonna be trippy. Let's go with this. It tasks me. I'm being tasked. Tasked. But yeah, this is like a sweet shiitake mushroom kind of deal thing. And it's honestly, the broth is sweet. It's got a really nice oiliness to it. I was honestly expecting this just to be gimmicky and kind of gross. It's not. It's the Caty noodle. But it's nice. He's nice, man. I think there's a problem. I think the, what do you call it? I'm pretty sure that the microphone on this isn't so great. But I guess we'll see about that too. I don't know. But I think this is as far as I'm gonna go with this. I really don't. Wow. It's acting nicely, it seems like. But yeah, look at how wide that is. It's kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, cool. The dragon fruit noodle was good. All right. Whoa. This thing is so weird. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, look at that. Whoa. But the next one will be a Nakama Noodles box offering. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. This is Marashan Kuta with their green smoky mayonnaise ramen. So that's... Whoa, what the hell? So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.